What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Hilux Build. Now we've got some exciting news. We are actually at Viper Performance Exhaust today, ready to install a brand new performance exhaust and branches. Now all I can say is I cannot wait. So the Hilux has been sounding very strange the last few weeks, and we actually picked up that some of the boxes has torn off, and there has been prior modifications made to the exhaust which wasn't done let me just say wasn't done the way it should have been done. So it was time to change that setup. So we're going to take you guys through the installation, take you guys what does the old exhaust look like versus the new exhaust. So super stoked, so stay tuned.
So before we did the installation, it was time to do a quick sound check. And guys, let's just say this exhaust is completely shot up. So stay tuned for later in the episode as you would hear the massive difference the Viper Performance exhaust makes to this beast.
Actually busy taking the exhaust apart because it's quite a big job. They have to remove the current manifolds, then they have to obviously install the new branches, etc. It's quite a process, but obviously, guys, if you know this, with the petrol, with the 4-liter V6, there's not much that we can do for extra power because it's naturally aspirated. So for those who don't know what that means, basically no turbos, no superchargers. It's standard as is, so there's not much we can do for more power. But in saying that, we are looking at getting about 11 kilowatts more, and then obviously a little bit more torque because the engine will be able to breathe better, but also the sound's going to be a lot better, and because currently like the whole exhaust is actually blocked, which obviously is not a good thing. So, and the V6 is already heavy on fuel, so I think this will definitely help in that. So I think there's a lot of misconceptions in terms of the fuel usage and stuff like that, but obviously, guys, I didn't buy a V6 for the fuel consumption, and the performance of the V6 is just, yeah, it's just top notch for me. So really super excited about that. So we have decided to go for free flow with a 63mm stainless steel setup from the front to the back. So I think it's going to be a massive and make a massive difference. So really excited for that one. And if you guys are watching this and you've got any questions regarding the performance exhaust from Viper, just put it down in the comment section down below. Let me know what vehicle you have, and yeah, I'll also put their details in the description.
As they continued with the installation, we couldn't help but think of the next 4x4 trip. Because to be honest, testing out this exhaust is something I cannot wait to do. performance exhaust installed, it was time to bring this beast to life and hear what it would sound like. Yes. The video just does not do it justice. The sound difference is absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to test this thing out on the tracks. Yes. Woo. Massive shout out to Viper Performance Exhaust. Top quality work, awesome sound and a serious upgrade for the Hilux. Thanks guys, you are legends. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and we'll catch you on the next adventure.